We are going to turn this 2.5 pound piece of chuck roast into a delicious barbacoa. So what we need to do first is cut this into decently sized chunks, maybe about 3 by 3. You really want to be able to sear on the sides here, so really doesn't matter. Just decent sized chunks. It helps break down the meat. I'll show you right here. Yeah, that's pretty good. You want to just go ahead and salt and pepper really to taste. I'm just kind of doing it like you would a steak since I am going to sear it. Some of this is going to fall off. You want to go ahead and get your ground cumin and 200 IQ play here by me. Yep, there you go. Bright, man. Some oregano. We're going to add 3 teaspoons of oregano, even though it looks like I only put 1. I assure you it was 3 that are going into that little shot glass there. And then we're going to also add some ground cloves to this. So I have cloves whole right here, and I'm going to grab my motor pedestal and go ahead and stamp that bastard down, grind it up as fine as you can get it. Really, you want the zest. You're gonna want that. You want the 1/4 ounce of a lime juice. It took about 3 of them. These were pretty juicy limes. Look at that. Some 5 cloves of garlic chopped up. 5. Now here I actually did 8 pieces of chipotles in adobo sauce, and I ground that up and put it with the lime. And then we're gonna go ahead and get some beef broth. I used bone broth actually. You want 1/2 cup of that, and we're also gonna use some apple cider vinegar. We're gonna grab that and use only 1/4 ounce of that. Although obviously, I think I poured a little more there, but that's fine. And mix it all together, and we're gonna go ahead and sear our meat. Look at that bad boy. Right, so high heat. You see all that smoke. I'm just using olive oil, but it's on a very high setting. I'm using electric stove here, so gauging best I can. Just sear all sides. You're trying not to cook the meat here, you just want to sear. That's all we're looking for, is to get a nice crust as much as we can. No more than a couple minutes for your setup here. We had to do 2 runs on the pan there, still smoking hot. Then we're gonna pour that into the slow cooker, dump everything in there with your 3 bay leaves. And again, this is just the start. Once it's in here, it's gonna go on for 8 hours. So of course, the glorious mathematician that I am, I set this up at 3 p.m. So that meant at 1 in the morning I had to get up and check on my meat. Checking on your meat at 1 a.m. It's a healthy habit, guys. But look at that. Look at how delicious that looks, and look at how tender it is. You just pick it apart, man. You really don't, no effort at all. You just take it out. I shredded it all up, just using 2 forks. Take it all apart. It really shouldn't take no more than a couple minutes. Again, I got up 1 in the morning, fixed it all up, threw it back into the pot. You want to actually take this opportunity to go ahead and take the bay leaves out. Again, 3 bay leaves. You don't want those in your tacos. They're completely terrible if you chew into them. So just take them out. Mix it all back in, and I do in another couple hours and put them back into the pot. Keep it on low and turn it off in the morning. So there you go. Just keep that baby warm. In this case, we had this for dinner, so not until I got home. Heated up some tortillas. We did low carb, the spinach tortillas. And it's as easy as that, guys. If I can do it, you guys can totally get away with way worse. So let's get cooking.